Peace, good people. I am Fufu Lauren, and I want to thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've been here before, I want to go ahead and welcome you back. So, guys, we're going to go ahead and cruise downtown Center City and Old City today. I'm actually at the intersection of 11th and Sansom Streets, where a 5-story mural resides. This mural was put up in 2019 by a Baltimore-based artist. Her name is Sherald. She's actually known for the painting of former First Lady Michelle Obama. This was that portrait that was displayed at the Smithsonian National Gallery in Washington, D.C. So Amy worked with the Philadelphia Mural Arts Program. She actually worked with the participant within that program. Her name is Ajay Young. And through this, she was able to show the world how beautiful, how classy and sophisticated a young woman can be. And if you're ever around in the area, it's northwest of 11th and Walnut. Come by and check it out. It's 5 stories, y'all. You can't miss it.
what's up? How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just
Hey guys, so we're about to enter into the Old City area. We're here at 6th and Market. On my left hand side, that's the Independence Visitor Center. Over here on the right hand side across the street, that's where the Liberty Bell is. And also that area is Independence Hall. So I decided to do a little trivia in this tour today. Let me know in the comments down below who is buried at Christ Church ground site. Let me know and enjoy the rest of the tour. Peace, good people. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I post. And until next time.